Welcome to the S7 testing platform. We already have assembled our PLC together with HMI and installed some LED outputs and some buttons for the inputs. The HMI is connected to the PLC right now, and it is programmed with four programs in it. These are the outputs in form of LEDs, which coming out from that side of the PLC, and the input coming out from this side of the PLC. It is labeled so you can see and use it in your addresses for your programs. In the main page of the display, you can see why this station is built and what it is, and then also we'll show you how to use this station. The third button are the programs. There are four programs, and you can select and activate it using the selector switch. By turning the selector clockwise, you can actually activate each one of them. Only one program will run at a time because we are using the same resources or inputs and outputs on all of the programs, so we can only use one to avoid conflict. Now the first program is the latching, timer, and counter instructions. This is a program that involves pushing the button 5 times, and then the timer will start for 5 seconds and the output will turn on. You can use the HMI panel as your input or buttons, or you can use the actual buttons on the right side as your inputs. We have only one output, which is the green light. The HMI will show you how many times you press it. You can also reset the counter if you want to, using the HMI panel button or the actual button itself. It doesn't make any sense on like to what application is this going to be used for, but this will show that you can actually test your instructions using these inputs, HMI, and outputs. Now going to the next program, you can just press the program and then turn the selector switch and activate which one you like. So for this, in this case, the forward reverse motor control is activated. Yeah, if you press the forward button, the motor will run in forward rotation or counterclockwise or whatever, and then when you press the reverse button, it will go to the other way. The HMI display will also have some graphical animations there where it will show you whether the motor is running in forward or in reverse. You can also stop it using the actual button or the HMI panel. You can actually use this in actual industrial application. You just have to like connect these LEDs to relays or some equipment. The next program is the Y delta, which is normally used to start the 3-phase motor to reduce current on the windings. If you start the motor, it will activate the contactor or the LED for the Y connection, and then after a few seconds, it will shift to the other contactor to start to continue running the motor in delta connection. The next one is the show button contest. Is the first contestant to press the button will light up his light, and then the other two will be deactivated. The buzzer will also run for 7 seconds and will turn on and turn off right after. The game show host can reset the game again using the reset button in the HMI or the actual button, and then we can start the game again. So right here you can see that you can control any outputs using the either the actual physical buttons or the HMI panel. It also will show you the instructions and the conditions of the program. You can erase this program, make your own display design or whatever using the cable that I show you in the hardware and software video, and you can also do your own programming and download it to the PLC. I hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, just make sure that the cable is always within this station, because that's the only cable that we can use to like download and upload and program the PLC and HMI. Thank you.